Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Mini Donut Maker. The Dash Mini Donut Maker machine stands out as an exceptional addition to any kitchen, particularly for those who enjoy creating delightful treats at home. Its eye-catching aqua color adds a playful touch to the appliance, which is compactly designed with dimensions of 8.7 D into 10.6 bobblers into 3.9 HH, ensuring it fits comfortably on most countertops without taking up too much space. This manual donut maker boasts a power of 760 watts, enabling it to heat quickly and deliver consistent results. Weighing just 3.26 pounds, its lightweight construction makes it easy to handle and store away when not in use. The metal material ensures durability while also being PFOA-free, prioritizing safety in your kitchen endeavors. With a customer rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, derived from over 13,200 reviews, the Dash Mini Donut Maker is highly regarded in its category, holding the #1 spot for mini donut makers and ranking number 2,176 in the broader kitchen and dining segment. It demonstrates reliability. Egg Cooker. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is an exceptional kitchen appliance that simplifies the process of cooking eggs, catering to both novices and seasoned chefs alike. With its sleek black design, this compact device measures 7.5 inches in length, 6 inches in width, and 6 inches in height, making it a perfect fit for any kitchen countertop without occupying excessive space. Constructed from durable plastic, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is not only lightweight, at just 1 pound, but also easy to clean, ensuring that your cooking experience remains hassle-free. This cooker boasts a remarkable capacity, accommodating up to 6 eggs at once, which is perfect for family. Cheese Grater. The Grater rotary cheese grater and kitchen mandolin vegetable slicer stands out as a versatile and efficient tool for both casual cooks and culinary enthusiasts. Designed with a vibrant red color and constructed from durable stainless steel and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene (ABS), this product combines aesthetics with functionality, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen. Weighing just 0.9 pounds, this grater is surprisingly lightweight, yet it feels sturdy in hand. Its compact dimensions of 4.72 ELers into 3.54 botters into 9.455 H's make it easy to store without taking up much counter space, which is essential for smaller kitchens. The thoughtful design includes 3 interchangeable blades, enabling users to effortlessly shred, slice, or grate a variety of ingredients, from cheese to vegetables. This versatility is a significant advantage for those looking to streamline meal preparation. One of the most admirable features of the Grater rotary cheese grater is its ease of use. The rotary mechanism operates smoothly, allowing for quick and efficient grating with minimal effort. Users can enjoy the satisfaction of freshly grated cheese or finely sliced vegetables without the hassle of traditional hand graters. Moreover, the product is dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleanup process and enhancing its practicality for everyday use. Pressure Cooker. The Hawkins CB30 hard anodized pressure cooker is a standout choice for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient cooking appliance. With a capacity of 3 liters and constructed from hard anodized aluminum, this pressure cooker combines durability and excellent heat conduction. The contoured black finish adds a sleek touch to any kitchen while providing a brushed surface that is resistant to scratches. Measuring 7.76 inches in diameter, 13.46 inches in width, and 7.32 inches in height, the Hawkins CB30 is compact enough to fit comfortably in most kitchens, making it an ideal option for small families or individuals. Weighing in at just 4.2 pounds, it is lightweight yet robust, making it easy to handle during cooking and cleaning. This pressure cooker excels in versatility, as it is compatible with both gas and electric stovetops. With a wattage of 1,000 watts, it heats up quickly, allowing for faster cooking times without sacrificing flavor or texture. The manual operation mode gives users complete control over the cooking process, albeit with the understanding that it is not dishwasher safe. Dish Drying Rack. The Kitsura dish drying rack offers an impressive blend of practicality and style, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Constructed from durable metal, this drying rack not only supports a significant amount of weight, but also showcases a rust-resistant finish, ensuring its longevity and maintaining a sleek appearance over time. Measuring 11.4 inches deep, 15 inches wide, and 4.9 inches high, it occupies minimal counter space while providing ample room for dish storage. Its compact design is particularly beneficial for smaller kitchens, allowing users to maximize their space without compromising on functionality. The black color adds a modern touch, fitting seamlessly into various kitchen aesthetics. This multi-purpose drying rack is designed for countertop use, making it easy to place dishes to dry after washing. The thoughtful layout accommodates plates, cups, and utensils, showcasing a user-friendly arrangement that makes dish drying a breeze. The design is intuitive, allowing for easy access and organization.